People, back again with another video. Just before I get into today's unboxing, review, whatever you want to call it, I just want to request everyone likes, comments, shares and subscribes. So like the video, share the channel, comment on any video, whatever, subscribe to the channel. And make sure your family, friends, cousins, aunties, uncles, everyone else subscribes to the channel, man. Come on, people. We need to get the numbers up. Reviews, all that good stuff. Because people are commenting on my videos that I'm underrated, so, you know, man, I have to be overrated now. Actually, no, not overrated. Just, I have to be rated now. Overrated. That's a stinker. But yeah, let's get into the video. It's a black Air Force One box. Kinda different to the normal Air Force Ones. So black box always kind of means like, you know, limited edition type thing. That's why it's a black box. You know, special edition, limited edition. Nike Air Force One. Blacked out box basically. You can call it that. On the bottom, all the information that they always have. And the good bit, the label. So that's Nike Air Force One 07 FM. That's white / game royal. UK 9. That's my Air Force One size. 10. The 10 on that's the US size. CM 28, so centimeters, 28 centimeters trainers. Or sneakers BR 42 and Europe 44 EUR. I was gonna say Euro in Euro 44. Well, yeah, let's just get into the unboxing. Quality paper. Let me just tell you, when it's a black box, you can expect quality paper with stars on it. I was gonna say embroidered. Embossed stars on the paper. Look at that, people. Nothing but stars. Let's keep the paper nice and clean, nice and fresh. Fold it with respect. And we'll lift this with respect. Have to be very nice, kind of respectful with these ones. Get out nice and slowly. Nike Air Force One 07, whatever you want to call them. So the Air Force One, these are known as the multi-swoosh Air Force Ones because there's more than one swoosh. This is a swoosh with a swoosh in it, so I don't even know if that counts as two swooshes there, or is that one swoosh with the swoosh stamped and then an extra swoosh. And this swoosh came from this swoosh, so it's technically just one swoosh with that's produced 3 swooshes. That's crazy. But yeah, you know, it's basically an all white Nike Air Force One with a bit of tweaks, you know, different swooshes, multi, all of that. The reason I purchased these ones is I wanted something a little different. I would be happy if Nike made this, like, you know, multi swoosh in like all white, because I normally just wear all white Nikes, to be honest, or Air Force Ones. Start from the bottom, just like the normal ones. White sole, clean, crisp, all white midsole with the air in blue. That's more of a royal blue air, and the line that wraps around. Then it's got the blue swoosh, another swoosh, and then like a cutout, and then a piece of material underneath with this. So the swoosh is kind of different, so it just matches, you know, the tongue, because the tongue is that same material. I actually quite like the tongue material. I think this tongue is better than the normal Air Force One tongue, and that's a big thing. Then it's got Nike Air Force One on the tongue. Back stamped in Nike Air. On this side, just a swoosh. This swoosh looks quite different. It looks like a bit fatter or chunkier type swoosh. I don't know, man. Do you know the amount of times I've said swoosh in this video is actually crazy. Inside, Nike Air, Royal. I really do like these, man. I didn't like these. So basically, I saw the pictures, and I thought, maybe. Then I bought them. Then I got them, and I was like, oh, these are ugly. Then I put them on foot. As you can see, I laced them up the way I do. So one hole less. One on each side. So so it's just down one. And then I got them, I put them on foot, and I was like, wow, no, these are actually quite nice. And now they've grown on me. So I really do like them. Obviously, the all-white Air Force One will forever be a classic. But this will be a nice little addition, for the summer or something. I really do like them. Like, it's crazy how something so simple can look good or, it's whatever. But even this, the swoosh, I like this actually. I think Nike could do this more, with different colors. I believe they have a black pairs with black swoosh, with all white with black swoosh. I may have seen a red pair. I'm not sure if that's actually like this, but yeah, man, there's so many different possibilities. I would love to see just an all white pair because they're slightly different. But it would just look so good. And plus, I really like this tongue. I'm a fan of this tongue, man. I don't know what it is about this tongue. It's just the material, the way it is. I think it looks better. It doesn't kind of fold in like the other tongue does. I think it's much better the way the cloth is. Yeah, it's white, basically all white with just hints of blue. I really like this. It's actually grown on me a lot. Everyone who watches knows I really love plain white, but these have grown on me. Just one thing is the tick. Obviously, even this one looks a bit chunky, looks a bit fat. I know why they may have done it on that. It doesn't. You can't really tell on that. But then when it's like that, it looks a bit odd, man. Like, look at it like that. It looks quite different. Unless I'm just overthinking things. But yeah, man, I like them. It's not fully like the normal pair. It's really like the normal pair, but it's slightly different. So I think the leather might be a little different. And everyone's scared of this crease. Let's hope they don't crease. Or should I bend them? Should I bend them? No, let's not have them crease. But yeah, really nice pair. Will definitely be like a backup. Will be worn with like something blue. Oh, I just had an idea. A New York Knicks jersey. These and a Knicks jersey in the summertime will bang. Yeah, I think that will be one of my outfits. What else? Blue tracksuits. Yeah, I got a couple of blue tracksuits, navy blue, navy and white. I think they'll be able to go well. But yeah, leave a comment on what you think about these. If you like them, if you have them, if you're gonna buy them, if you hate them, if you rate them, whatever. Just tell me, make me aware. Also like the video because that's important. Comment whatever you need to comment. Subscribe and share, subscribe to the channel, support the channel. Share the videos around everywhere. Let's get this channel massive, man. Let's get this channel huge. And as always, there will always be an on-foot video following. You can also watch an on-foot video separate if you wish to. And yeah, click the bell icon, man, people, so you know when the video is coming. But yeah, that's all from me from today. Thank you for watching. And as always, take care, people.